Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through Is Wealthfront Good for Beginners? Honest Beginner Review. Let's start by understanding what Wealthfront does. It helps you automatically invest your money in diversified portfolios without needing deep financial knowledge. This makes it especially attractive for people who are just starting out. Wealthfront offers fully automated investing, so you don't need to pick stocks yourself. It builds a diversified ETF portfolio based on your goals and risk level. It handles everything like rebalancing and tax optimization automatically. The app is simple and easy to use. Wealthfront has a low entry point of $500 with a 0.25% management fee and no trading commissions. It also provides helpful tools like financial planning features, goal tracking, retirement planning, and a big picture view of your finances. Wealthfront is a solid option for everyday use, especially if you want a simple hands-off financial setup. It's one of the best options if you want a simple, automated, and stress-free way to start investing. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.